What's up everybody, my name's Aaron Zook from DS18 and today we're going to be introducing our double DIN line of head units. Here we have the DDX6.2 LX, the DDX6.2 AD, and the DDX6.2. Now the difference is that this one has a Linux operating system with 2 gigabytes of RAM, this one has an Android operating system with 2 gigabytes of RAM, and this one has no operating system with 0 gigabytes of RAM. They all have touchscreen capabilities and have mirror link capabilities. So now we're going to show you how to use the Bluetooth function and how to connect on mirror link. So to set up Bluetooth on your DDX6.2, the first thing you want to do is just turn the unit on. So now go to your phone and look at your Bluetooth devices. Click on Bluetooth and the DDX6.2 will be there. You click on the DDX6.2 and you're ready to go. Hit done. You're all paired with Bluetooth. So to start screen mirroring on your DDX6.2, first thing you want to do is go into your settings, hit settings, go all the way down till you see About Phone. Click on About Phone, scroll down a little bit, go into software information. Go to where you see build number and click on it a whole bunch of times. Use your personal code and that'll turn on developer mode. Click back a couple times, go to developer options, and then here are all your debugging options. You want to turn on USB debugging, and you're set. You plug in the USB, wait a few seconds, the codes will come up, and then you're ready to screen link. So if you're using Apple, you don't need to do any of the steps for the Android. All you need to do is plug in the phone to the front of the USB, enter the code, your personal code when it asks you for it, and you're ready to mirror link. Now we're going to connect an Android phone to the DDX6.2 AD. The first thing you want to do is go to the Play Store and download Easy Connect. Once you've downloaded Easy Connect, you want to go into your Bluetooth settings, turn on Bluetooth, and look for your radio. Once you see your radio, you click it, it will begin to pair and ask you for a code. The code is 0000. Hit done, you're ready to go. Next thing you want to do is turn on your hotspot on your phone. You go into your settings, connections, down to mobile hotspot and tethering. Turn it on and now you're ready for your radio settings. You go into Easy Connection. Select Android Wi-Fi. You go in and enter your mobile hotspot settings. Click on your phone. It's going to ask you for your password. The password is going to be different for every phone. You'll find it on your settings menu in your phone. Once you have that connected and it's authenticated, and you can see you're connected, you're ready to go. And therefore you automatically wirelessly transmit your signal from your phone to your DDX6.2. So now that you've seen how to connect it through Bluetooth and mirror link, you're ready to hit the road with your brand new DS18 DDX6.2. If you have any more questions, visit DS18.com. My name is Aaron Zook and we like it loud.